Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Justin and today we'll be discussing about meditation. Meditation can improve our lives in great many ways, both in the short term and in the long term. In the short term, meditation can be thought of as kind of refuge. Meditation is about calming your mind and driving out negative, stressful thoughts. If you can do that, then you can find an oasis of peace even in the most chaotic circumstances. Imagine it. You've come home from work after a stressful day. Your colleagues are shouting at you and you have a deadline that you're falling behind on. You might come home spending all your evening thinking about work rather than enjoying time with your partner, kids or friends. Or you could meditate. Remove the distracting thoughts from your mind and just enjoy your evening. Worry about it tomorrow when you can actually do something about it. Wouldn't that be wonderful? In the long term, being able to do this at will eventually helps you to change habits that have formed over a lifetime. It helps you to learn to rise above your problems and not to think about them as the end of the world. You can put things in perspective and you can crank down that irritating little voice at the back of your head. Reducing stress actually helps your brain to regrow damaged tissue and neural connections. Will create thicker prefrontal cortex. You will become better at controlling your thoughts and ultimately you will learn to appreciate what you have. Now let's see the top types of meditation. Mindfulness meditation. One of the most popular form of meditation is mindfulness meditation. This comes from the psychotherapeutic school of cognitive behavioral therapy and revolves around becoming more aware of your own thoughts, such as that you might start to control them. In mindfulness meditation, the goal is not to completely block out all your thoughts, but rather to simply let them pass like clouds without upsetting you. The aim is, other words, is not to engage with the thoughts. At the same time, though you will allow them to go by, you will make a note of them so that you can develop a more accurate picture of what happens inside your own brain. This type of meditation is perfect for dealing with stress and for overcoming anxieties and phobias. That's because it allows you to step back and observe your thoughts dispassionately. Ultimately, you become better at using your own brain. The next kind of meditation is body scan meditation or progressive relaxation. This is a form of meditation that is often used alongside mindfulness meditation and CBD, though it can be used on its own. The simple idea in this case is that you are going to be focusing on your own body and specifically on getting it into a calm state by relaxing each muscle. You normally do this by contracting or tensing the muscle and then letting it release entirely. This type of meditation is perfect for feeling calmer and happier and for letting go of stress at the end of a day. In fact, it can also be useful for getting ready for bed. The next kind of meditation we'll be discussing is breath awareness meditation. This type of meditation can be used in conjunction with many types of other meditations, or it can be considered to be a unique form of meditation and can solely be used on its own. Either way, the basic concept is simply that you are going to focus on your own breathing, using that as a great way to remove distracting thoughts. A lot of people find it hard to empty their thoughts, but by focusing on something like breathing, you can create a laser communication that pushes out other thoughts and helps you to reach a calm state quicker. The next form of meditation we're going to discuss about is Kundalini meditation. Kundalini meditation is a form of yoga that incorporates a number of different factors. Here you'll be performing meditation while moving into different numerous stretch positions and strengthening the core and other muscles. This form of meditation is perfect for those who want to kill two birds with one stone, enhancing their health and fitness while combating stress and improving their focus. Kundalini also utilizes mantras and specific breathing work in order to achieve the state of calm and enhance overall health. The next meditation we're going to discuss about is Tai Chi or moving meditation. Another example of meditation that is not static is Tai Chi. Here the practitioners perform extremely slow movements while focusing carefully on their bodies and how they are moving. This in turn can allow them to tap into their greater strength and control while also serving as an ideal way to take their mind off of other worries and enhance the focus. While the movements are slow and may appear to have more in common with yoga at first, they actually do have martial application when performed quickly and with power. Another similar example of this kind of meditation is Qigong or Qigong. This is a more static alternative to Tai Chi that sees practitioners holding positions while focusing on the movement of energy throughout their body. This is often used in conjunction with Tai Chi or with other Shaolin forms of Kung Fu. The next meditation we're going to discuss about is Transcendental meditation or TM. This is another form of most popular forms of meditation and is used by a number of high-profile celebrities. The objective in TM is to combat the mind completely empty. In contrast to the mindfulness, to do this you will have to focus on a mantra, which is a word or a noise that you repeat over and over. The most famous example is Om, but truly it can be anything. In the short term, clearing the mind can be a perfect way to eradicate stress and enjoy some relief. In the longer term, you can become better and better at shutting out all distracting thoughts. You'll find that you start to experience feeling of oneness and the like. Don't be scared. This is actually just an altered state of consciousness, achieved by allowing areas of your mind to shut down while others remain active. Next one we're going to discuss about is productive meditation. Productive meditation is an idea that was put forward by Cal Newport in his book Deep Work. The idea is to focus on a topic or a problem and to think deeply about that. This can be a great way to solve an issue you've been having and is just an effective way to practice your focus. Candle meditation. Candle meditation is a form of meditation that involves focusing on just a candle flame and watching it kind of flicker. Doing this can allow you to completely calm your mind, and especially when the candle is itself kind of hypnotic as it dances. There are many other ways you can gaze at, or many other things you can gaze at for a meditative effect. How about looking at moon for instance, or a running stream? The next kind of meditation we're going to talk is not really a meditation, it's kind of mindful washing up. Washing up isn't really a meditation, as I said, but that's not to say that there is no way that it can be done. The point here is that anything can become meditation as long as you are calm and focus the mind while you do it. Focus 100% on washing up, and this becomes a meditative exercise that will help you to push out distractions Another point is that you once reach at this particular point, anything can become meditation. So that's all about meditation briefly and about its different types. If you have any doubts, make sure you leave a comment. I'm leaving my email ID in the description, so if you want to have reach out personally, you can do that as well. If you like this video, make sure subscribe the channel and hit the bell button for notifications. In the next video, we'll be discussing about identifying the true passion of self. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video. Thank you.